Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful aesthetic YouTube thumbnails, just like these, using Canva. First things first, let's open a new file. Go to Create a Design, type in YouTube, and select the YouTube thumbnail template. Now we've got our blank canvas ready. Start by going to Elements and searching for Frame. Pick a standard square frame. I'm going to drag this into the corner. Duplicate it 3 times and line them up side by side. Then select all 3 and stretch them out to cover the entire background area. Drag and drop your own photos into the frames. Once they're in, highlight all of them and hit the lock icon. This is super important so you don't accidentally move them while we add text. Next, add a text box and type in your title. I'm changing the color to white. And using the font Montserrat Bold, but feel free to use whatever style fits your vibe. Duplicate the text box to add the rest of your headline. Once the text is placed, let's add a shadow effect so the white letters really stand out against the background. You can play around with the intensity here until it looks right. Now for the cool part, putting the subject in front of the text. To do this, duplicate your main image and use the background remover. Then, align this cutout perfectly over the original photo so the back layer is hidden. Now, it looks like I'm standing right in front of the text. You can also add a subtitle here. To make it readable, try adding a colored background to the text box. Just make sure the color matches your overall aesthetic. Now let me show you a second style. For this one, I'm making the individual images a bit larger and arranging them in a nice aesthetic collage. To keep things clean, I'll design the text on a separate page first. Add your text. I'm sticking with the same font. Click on Effects, then Curve. I'm setting it to about -60 and rotate the text manually to fit. Duplicate that for the next word and give it a slight rotation. I'll keep doing this for the whole sentence. For the very last word, I'm going to curve it in the opposite direction, let's say around +70. Play around with it until the wave looks perfect. Then select everything, group it together, and copy-paste the whole text block onto our main thumbnail. Here is a little hack to make that text pop. Go to Elements, search for Shadow, and pick a soft shadow graphic. Stretch it out and place it at the top of the image. Lower the transparency a bit and make sure the text layer is sitting on top of the shadow. And there you have it, 2 finished thumbnails. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it helpful. I'd really appreciate a like and a subscription. See you next time.